Did you know that your DNA is constantly under attack? Pollution, processed foods, stress, and even sunlight can damage your genetic code, leading to premature aging, chronic diseases, and even cancer. But what if you could repair and protect your DNA naturally? Today, we revealed 12 powerful foods that can do just that. Welcome to Levitas. What happens when your DNA is damaged? Your DNA is the blueprint of life, controlling how your cells function, grow, and repair. However, toxins, radiation, and poor diet can cause mutations, leading to cellular dysfunction, accelerated aging, and disease. Damaged DNA can trigger cancer, neurodegenerative disorders, and weakened immunity. Without proper repair, these mutations accumulate, increasing the risk of chronic illness. But here's the good news. Your body has built-in repair mechanisms that can reverse DNA damage, if you give it the right nutrients. That's where specific foods come in, packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that protect, restore, and optimize your genetic code. What are the natural repair mechanisms? Your body has several DNA repair systems working 24/7. Enzymes constantly scan for errors, cutting out damaged sections and replacing them with healthy strands. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, preventing oxidative stress, a major cause of genetic mutations. Methylation, another key process, keeps gene expression balanced, preventing faulty cell growth. But for these systems to function optimally, they need the right nutrients, from essential fatty acids to polyphenols and coenzymes. The right diet doesn't just fuel your body, it protects your genes from harm. Now, let's dive into the 12 best foods that support DNA repair and cellular rejuvenation. 1. Grass-fed red meat. Grass-fed red meat is a powerhouse of zinc, B vitamins, and coenzyme Q10, all essential for DNA synthesis and repair. Zinc helps DNA repair enzymes fix mutations, while B12 and folate aid in methylation, ensuring proper gene expression. Unlike conventional meat, grass-fed beef is rich in omega-3s, reducing inflammation that can damage DNA. It also provides heme iron, which boosts oxygen delivery to cells, improving cellular function. When consumed in the right amounts, high-quality red meat can be a powerful ally in protecting your genetic blueprint while keeping your body strong and resilient. 2. Berries. Berries like blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are packed with anthocyanins, quercetin, and vitamin C, which act as DNA shields. These powerful antioxidants fight free radicals, reducing oxidative stress, which is a leading cause of DNA damage. Ellagic acid, found in berries, has been shown to prevent mutations by deactivating harmful carcinogens. Polyphenols in berries also stimulate the body's own repair enzymes, fixing genetic damage at a cellular level. Adding a handful of fresh berries to your diet daily can enhance cellular protection, keeping your DNA intact and your body youthful. 3. Cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale contain sulforaphane, a compound that activates detoxification enzymes in your cells. This process helps to remove toxins and repair DNA before mutations can occur. Cruciferous vegetables are also rich in indole-3-carbonyl, which supports healthy hormone balance and prevents DNA damage linked to estrogen-related cancers. Additionally, these vegetables boost glutathione production, the body's master antioxidant, which protects cells from oxidative stress. Eating at least 3 servings of cruciferous vegetables per week can supercharge your DNA repair mechanisms and fortify your body against genetic damage. 4. Green tea and matcha. Green tea and matcha contain epigallocatechin gallate, also known as EGCG, a powerful polyphenol that protects DNA from damage. Studies show EGCG can repair broken DNA strands and inhibit tumor growth by blocking harmful mutations. Green tea is also rich in catechins, which reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, key factors in DNA deterioration. Drinking 2 to 3 cups daily provides a steady dose of antioxidants, enhancing genetic stability. Matcha, a more potent form of green tea, offers an even higher concentration of EGCG, making it an excellent addition to any DNA protective diet. 5. Lemons. Lemons are a natural detoxifier, packed with vitamin C, flavonoids, and limonene, all of which combat oxidative stress and neutralize free radicals. Vitamin C plays a critical role in collagen production, helping to stabilize DNA structure. The flavonoids in lemon peel have been shown to enhance DNA repair mechanisms, while limonene supports liver detoxification, eliminating DNA-damaging toxins. Drinking lemon water daily not only hydrates but also strengthens cellular defenses, making your DNA more resilient against mutations and environmental toxins. 6. Turmeric. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is a potent DNA protective agent. It reduces inflammation, neutralizes carcinogens, and activates DNA repair proteins. Research shows curcumin can prevent strand breaks in genetic material, lowering the risk of cancer and degenerative diseases. Turmeric also boosts glutathione levels, further shielding DNA from oxidative damage. Adding black pepper enhances curcumin absorption by 2000%, maximizing its benefits. Whether used in cooking, teas, or supplements, turmeric is a must-have superfood for maintaining genetic health and longevity. 7. How does rosemary help repair DNA? Rosemary is rich in carnosic acid and rosmaric acid, both of which prevent DNA mutations and protect against cellular stress. These compounds help to inhibit tumor formation, making rosemary a natural cancer-fighting herb. It also supports liver detoxification, removing DNA-damaging toxins from the body. Studies have found that rosemary enhances brain function and neurological protection, keeping genetic material stable in brain cells. Using fresh or dried rosemary in meals or as a tea infusion can provide long-term DNA protection and boost overall health. 8. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like kale, spinach, Swiss chard, and romaine lettuce are loaded with folate, vitamin K, and chlorophyll, all vital for DNA replication and repair. Folate prevents genetic mutations by aiding methylation, while chlorophyll binds to toxins, stopping them from damaging DNA. Vitamin K supports healthy cell function, reducing the risk of abnormal mutations. Adding at least one serving of leafy greens per day can dramatically enhance DNA integrity and protect against age-related diseases. 9. Nuts. Nuts, especially macadamia nuts, walnuts, and Brazil nuts, are rich in healthy fats, antioxidants, and selenium, all of which support DNA repair and protection. Vitamin E, found abundantly in nuts, fights oxidative damage, helping to maintain DNA integrity and prevent cellular aging. Selenium has been shown to reduce DNA mutations and prevent cancer by neutralizing free radicals. Omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts also reduce inflammation, which can otherwise cause genetic damage. Eating a small handful of nuts every day provides an easy way to keep your genetic material safe and strong. 10. Avocados. Avocados are a powerhouse of monounsaturated fats, vitamins E and C, and folate, all crucial for DNA repair. The healthy fats in avocados help absorb fat-soluble nutrients like vitamin E, which protect cells from oxidative stress. Folate is essential for methylation, a process that ensures proper gene expression and prevents mutations. Avocados also contain glutathione, which enhances your body's natural detoxification pathways and reduces cellular damage. Incorporating half an avocado into your daily meals can strengthen your DNA, support cell regeneration, and protect against chronic diseases. 11. Oysters. Oysters are a rich source of zinc, a mineral that plays a pivotal role in DNA repair and synthesis. Zinc activates key repair enzymes, which work to fix broken DNA strands and ensure the integrity of your genetic code. It also helps your body produce antioxidants that protect against oxidative damage. Omega-3 fatty acids in oysters further support cellular health and reduce inflammation, which is linked to DNA mutations. Including oysters in your diet a few times a week can give your body the zinc and nutrients it needs for optimal DNA repair. 12. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is loaded with polyphenols, oleocanthal, and oleuropein, compounds that possess potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds protect DNA from oxidative stress and support the body's DNA repair mechanisms. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil help reduce inflammation and cellular damage that can lead to genetic mutations. Olive oil has been shown to boost telomere length, a marker of cellular aging and DNA integrity. Incorporating extra virgin olive oil as your primary cooking oil or as a salad dressing can help maintain healthy DNA and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. In conclusion, damaged DNA can lead to cellular dysfunction, mutations, and accelerated aging. It can trigger chronic diseases such as cancer, neurodegenerative disorders, and a weakened immune system. Fortunately, your body has natural repair mechanisms, including enzymes that fix mutations and antioxidants that neutralize free radicals. Methylation also keeps gene expression balanced, preventing faulty cell growth. To support these processes, nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats are essential. Foods like berries, green tea, cruciferous vegetables, and turmeric play a crucial role in DNA repair by reducing oxidative stress, inflammation, and providing necessary nutrients for cellular rejuvenation. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, comment, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.